Hello, everybody, and welcome. Now, is Bitcoin a scam? Is crypto a scam? I'm sure you hear about it everywhere. YouTube, social media, the web, Google, everybody, it seems like, is like crypto is a scam. And spoiler alert, no, it's not a scam. You got to be careful on who you follow, who you listen to, and so forth. Are there scams in crypto? Absolutely. Just like anything else. Okay. The biggest financial scams in the world is in traditional finance. Okay. Look at the Ponzi scheme. We all know Enron, WorldCom, Bernie Madoff. These are big scam events that occurred outside of crypto. Okay. HSBC, one of the world's largest global banks in 2012 was hit with a $1.9 billion fine, most notably serving as a conduit for Mexican drug cartels. Now, Bitcoin was intended to be a way for us, me and you, the regular person, to obtain some sort of financial freedom while being transparent. If you're a money launderer or a scammer, you don't want to use something like Bitcoin, which operates on a public ledger where all your transactions can be seen by everybody all over the world. Anybody who has access to the Bitcoin blockchain, and anybody can gain access to it. Okay? If crypto and Bitcoin was such a scam, why would JP Morgan develop Onyx? Okay? According to them, they are the world's first bank-led blockchain platform. Okay, they've been building this thing out for years. Okay, and most of us, we don't know about this. Okay, back in 2020, we're at the end of 2023. Okay, come to my website here, TechMalak. Look, Ferrari accepting Bitcoin is now going to be a reality. What about PayPal? Okay, PayPal has their, I believe it's the PayPal USD. PayPal USD. Okay, on the blockchain. So if crypto and Bitcoin and all of this was such a scam, why is there a talk now of Bitcoin ETFs? Okay, Ethereum ETFs. So no, I mean, like any other industry, you're gonna have bad actors. But if you're new to crypto, you really have to study what this technology is. It doesn't take a genius. You don't have to understand every little detail. But even just here, the Bitcoin white paper, just give it a read over and see what it was meant to fight against. Okay? Big financial institutions that you and I have been beholden since the day we were born. Okay, they've been manipulating this system for a long time. Okay, but it's time for us to take back what we can, within reason. And the best way to do that, in my opinion, is investing in crypto assets. Okay, investing in crypto assets, it's right now is the best opportunity you and I will ever have, probably in our lifetime, to generate massive amounts of wealth. And it is only possible through crypto, Bitcoin. Okay, so do your own research, educate yourself. Okay, don't just go by every wind of doctrine. And check this out. Okay, look at the Bitcoin chart. Let's go. Yeah, we're on the monthly chart here. Okay, Let's switch to a logarithmic chart. Let me just fix this up. Look at Bitcoin. Look at the price of Bitcoin. Look where it's coming from. Okay, from below a penny, okay, to where it is now. Okay, where it is now. I know this is a little bit messy, but that's all right. Okay, so no, it's not a scam. Do your own research. Get into crypto now. Not financial advice.